everyone. The table is full of crap, as per the usual. Working on Milano crap, again, as per usual. But today, I've got some new stuff. The long-awaited, that's for sure. I blew up my old multimeter here. It's the old Princess Auto special here. I blew this up like a year ago, and finally getting around to getting some new ones. The old one was actually not bad. Put the phone down here, zip the zipper. Wasn't too cheap. I remember this being about 70 or 80 bucks from the old Princess Auto. Lots of features on this guy. It was auto ranging. It had capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, humidity. It had a sound meter in the front here as well. The accuracy of that is God knows, who knows. And lumens. I guess it has a little light sensor in the front of here too. Basically, ultimately succumbed to the typical abuse from the shop. I think what happened was I blew the current fuse on it, and more than likely I just probably put a aluminum foil on there and probably ultimately killed it from that. So we're not going to go down that road again of burning up these meters. I bought two this time. So I bought one. Well, they're both from Amazon. One, let's open this box. It's like the unboxing. Oh, it comes with a case. Super chintzy looking box, but as you can see, it's an AC and DC clamp meter. So no more blowing up my meter with the overcurrent. Should be nice. Comes in a little plastic case here. Pull that open. Have a look, see? Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, that's interesting. This one has frequency and percent duty cycle as well on it. In the bag, we've got a set of test leads, a Chinglish user's manual, I'm almost certain. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's open up the package here. Oh, fuck it, let's drop the phone. You can look at darkness while you undo the bag. Not too bad. There we go. 4,000 counts, auto power off. Doesn't come with the batteries, so I will find some batteries and test her out. It's gonna be nice because I just freaking hate overcurrenting my meters, because it's so easy to do on a load that you don't, or load that changes, or if you're testing a parasitic draw or something on your car, and then something like the interior light goes on and the damn thing is just gonna blow the damn fuse. That's what happens every time. Then the next meter I got was an actual 4.5 digit multimeter. Really similar, I guess, in functionality to that old meter. Let's have a look at this. It's got a whole bunch of features on it too. Features that I like for sure though are the frequency, duty cycle measurements. I really like that stuff, especially for working on cars. It's very, very handy for injector testing and such. You will get a 15% coupon. My goodness. If I do what? User manual. Not too bad. And the meter itself. Holy giant display. Funky color too. I basically bought this thing based on the color. There's so many meters which are equivalent in functionality to this meter. It's very difficult to decide on your sub $50 meters which one is going to work for you. They're probably all going to work for you, frankly. I literally chose this one because it looks kind of funky. So yeah, we'll have to nice fielder. So yeah, we got AC/DC voltmeter. It's supposedly is a true RMS meter. So it should, depending on the frequency of the AC voltage you're measuring, actually show you the actual RMS value. We will have to see. Do some testing. We got temperature, temperature, and a whole bunch of other crap. We got obviously ohms, capacitance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, a couple of current settings, and it's got, I guess, a non-contact voltage thing in there somewhere. We will have a look-see. See what else is in the box. Oh, they gave me a battery. 5 out of 5 stars. I don't have to even pull the battery out of my old meter. Comes with a temperature probe, which is kind of nice. So I got 2 now. I got one from that meter, and I got a new one now, which is nice, and a couple of test leads. Yeah, we'll have to use her a little bit and see how it actually performs in real life. It's kind of nice. Nice big display. It's backlit. So yeah, it should be nice. After a long time. I haven't had a meter in a long time. I've been bumming mics constantly, and I'm sure he is aware of that. So yeah. Cool beans.